Hey everyone, welcome back to Corporate Decoder, the place where we unearth the truth buried in corporate filings, and today we are diving into a fascinating bit of news. It seems like American Axle and Manufacturing Holdings Incorporated is making a big move in the international market. Let's see if this is a strategic masterstroke or something else entirely. Before we start our deep dive into this report, if you find value in understanding the real story behind corporate announcements, make sure you are subscribed to the channel. Also, we've got a fantastic community over on Discord where we break down these filings even further. The link is in the description below. So what we have here is essentially an update on a potential big deal. American Axle and Manufacturing Holdings Incorporated, or AXL as they are known on the stock market, has put out some information about their plan to acquire the entire company called Dowlais Group plc. This isn't just a small investment, this is a move to take over the whole company. Dowlais Group is based in England and Wales, and this announcement is making waves in London through their regulatory news service. It is a recommended offer, meaning the leadership of both companies see this as a good thing. They are calling this the business combination, and it basically means Axle wants to buy all the available shares of Dowlais to bring it fully under the Axle umbrella. The report tells us that this update came out on the 16th of January 2026. Think of the RNS announcement as the official bulletin from London, while the press release is AXL's own way of communicating this important news to everyone. Both documents are included here as exhibits, meaning they are officially part of this filing. Now, it is important to remember that AXL is already a publicly traded company. Their common stock is listed on the New York Stock Exchange under the ticker symbol. AXL, this acquisition will likely have a big impact on their existing shareholders and how the company operates moving forward. American Axle and Manufacturing Holdings Incorporated is headquartered in Detroit, Michigan. And this acquisition of an international company suggests they are looking to expand their global footprint significantly. It is a bold move that could reshape their business. Now, like most of these filings, there is a section that basically warns us about forward-looking statements. This is super important. It means that while the company is sharing its plans and hopes for the future, there is no guarantee that these plans will actually happen. They're talking about things like whether the business combination will be completed, how it might affect their stock price, and what the future financial performance will look like. These are all educated guesses, and the company is telling us in plain English that things could be different in reality. They are subject to risks and uncertainties, and it is not possible to foresee every single factor that could impact the outcome. They mention that if you want more details on these risks, you should look at their most recent annual report on Form 10K and their quarterly reports on Form 10Q. They make no commitment to update anyone if these future predictions change. And as always, these reports are signed off by key executives. In this case, Christopher J. May, who holds the important title of Executive Vice President and Chief Financial Officer, has signed on behalf of American Axle and Manufacturing Holdings Incorporated, confirming the accuracy of this filing on the 16th of January 2026. So, what is the big picture here? American Axle is signaling a major strategic shift. By acquiring Dowlais Group, they are likely aiming for greater market share, potentially new technologies, and expanded geographic reach. This is the kind of move that can either propel a company to new heights or create significant integration challenges. The risks they mention, like the actual completion of the deal and its impact on financial performance, are very real. Investors will be watching closely to see how smoothly this integration proceeds. And if the promised synergies actually materialize, it's a classic case of high risk, potentially high reward. We will be keeping a close eye on Axle and Dowlais as this unfolds. Alright, that is our breakdown of this particular filing. What is your take on this potential acquisition? Do you think it is a smart move for American Axle? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. If this analysis was valuable to you, hitting that like button really helps us out. And be sure to subscribe for more deep dives into the financial world. And don't forget to join our growing community on Discord. The link is in the description. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.